Nothing's CMF Phone 3 just got teased for a June 5th US launch. Swappable backs, a 120Hz AMO LED, and a killer price. Stick with GadInsider for the scoop. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Nothing dropped a teaser for the CMF Phone 3 hitting the US on June 5th, 2025. With a 6.7-inch 120Hz AMO LED, Dimensity 7400 chip, and swappable back panels, it's a budget beast. Let's break it down. The CMF Phone 3 rocks a 6.7-inch 120Hz AMO LED display for smooth scrolling and vivid colors. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chip, got 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage. Perfect for gaming and multitasking. Its triple camera setup and a 5000 mAh battery keep you shooting and streaming all day. The star? Swappable back panels with a bold screw design for custom looks. Nothing signature style at a rumored $399 price point. Why is this phone trending? It's a mid-range champ with flagship vibes. Think smooth 120Hz visuals and modular flair that rivals pricier phones. Ex-users are hyped for the US launch, praising the value, though some want more camera details. Available on June 5th on Amazon and Nothing's US site, it's Nothing's push to shake up the budget market, taking on Samsung and OnePlus. Want the CMF Phone 3? Mark June 5th for the US launch. Pre-order starts soon on Amazon and us.nothing.tech. Follow GadInsider for hands-on reviews and deal alerts to snag this modular marvel at launch. That's the buzz on Nothing's CMF Phone 3, GadInsider fan. Are you hyped for those swappable backs or waiting for more specs? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the tech loop.